model, 67-plate Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BLUEHDI 335L2H2 130 noisy engine no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 93,833. MOT, the 23rd of November 2024. Engine, 1997 CCDW10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, parking sensors, electric windows, air con, cruise control, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £6,950 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.